Welcome back to the Global Mega Builds, another important construction update from Camp Nou. With no matches scheduled for the next 2 weeks, the stadium is fully focused on construction progress. Work is moving forward across multiple areas, with crews installing structures, panels, and other key elements. Let's take a detailed look at the latest updates and see how everything is shaping up. Starting today's update with the lateral side, which is showing important activity. Concrete pouring is currently underway using a concrete pump, focused on the upper sections of the lateral structure. One staircase already has concrete panels installed near the elevator doors, while the adjacent staircase is still in a preparatory phase. Inside the lateral stand, interior sandwich panels have been installed for some time. Exterior works continue gradually, with multiple elevated platforms operating at different heights, indicating parallel tasks across the structure. A truck fully loaded with new louvers has arrived at the lateral side, confirming that facade installation will continue in the coming days. The fourth compression ring pillar is already prepared and positioned on site. Alongside it, the fourth radial beam is also ready for lifting. Both elements are expected to be installed during this week, marking another key step in the stadium's structural completion. In the Tribuna Area, large structural elements are being positioned near the staircase zones. There is clear interior activity, with many workers operating on scaffolding around the elevator shaft structures. Most of the beams and the main framework in this section appear to be installed. This area will later be enclosed with sandwich panels, similar to other completed sections. Exterior changes remain limited, but interior progress continues steadily. At the Cafeteria Diamond, the situation remains similar to previous updates. Several glass panels are still missing, including one panel on each corner and 3 panels above the entrance doors. The support brackets above the doors are not yet installed. On the left side, exposed reinforcement bars remain visible. These areas still require formwork and concrete pouring. At the Store Diamond, previously stacked glass panels are being lifted onto a truck and removed from the area, likely to be used elsewhere in the stadium. The glass installation status remains unchanged, with missing panels above the doors and at the corners. But insulation work is progressing. Rock wool insulation is being installed above the door sections, and finishing trims are already in place. Interior glass panels are now fully installed behind the fencing. Now moving to the south goal area. Work continues around the staircase structures, where most of the beams are already installed. One staircase appears more advanced, while the other still requires additional upper-level elements before sandwich panels can be installed. Workers are actively checking and tightening existing anchors. This suggests preparation for upcoming facade or cladding works. The black-painted beams remain without new anchoring points for louvers at this stage. At the south goal corner, facade work is clearly advancing. A new red louver is being lifted into position using the orange crane. Several workers are operating on elevated platforms, aligning and securing the louvers with precision. The lower louver sections are already completed, and work is now focused on the exterior-facing areas. With improved weather conditions, progress in this corner is expected to accelerate over the next few days. Overall, construction activity remains strong across the stadium. The lateral side and lateral stand continue to be key focus areas, with concrete works, material deliveries, and major structural elements ready for installation. That's it for today's Camp Nou construction update. If you're enjoying these detailed progress reports and want to stay up to date with every major development, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. More updates are coming very soon.